Alright, we're coming through this little cave thing. We're going to the Three Bears. The Three Bears waterfall. We just came underneath a bridge, which is back that way and through here. Alright, it's extremely slippery. Oh, oh! Oh!
All the algae.
Wow. There are probably terrible, terrible spiders down here, but we're not thinking about that. Oh! This is so slippery.
All this shit is really slippery, dude.
Yeah, I know. Grab onto shit. Who cares if there's a spider there? It's all good.
Whoa! There it is.
We're backed up. Alright, hold on. We're getting there.
Look at these apples and shit.
What are they?
I don't know.
Oh, shit. This is slippery. Oh! Take this from me. Come on, get this. Are you fucking serious?
Where's my sunglasses? Take a picture of that.
Where are they? I've never laughed so hard in my life. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This shit's slippery, dude.
No kidding.
Oh. Oh. You fucking fell right in. Where the fuck do we go? Damn. This is gonna be funny. I'm gonna piss myself, Brandon. I can't. I gotta shut this off. Here, take this. B, what am I gonna do with your camera? Oh no! Hold on. I gotta stop this. How do I stop? Oh.